Do you want to hide or remove the Meta AI button from your WhatsApp home screen? It's quite easy and simple. Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video, I will show you how to remove the Meta AI button in WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. Video Meta AI and WhatsApp is an Meta AI and WhatsApp advanced artificial intelligence technology developed by Meta Platforms. You can interact with AI-powered chatbots directly within WhatsApp. Meta AI and WhatsApp can perform a wide range of functions. Hide Meta AI on WhatsApp, including answering questions, providing information, and helping with customer support inquiries. To hide the Meta AI icon or button on WhatsApp, first open WhatsApp on your mobile phone. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner to access the menu. A pop-up menu appears. Just tap on Settings. Here you will see various options. Find the chat section and tap on it under the chat setting. You will see various settings. Look for the Show Meta AI button. After finding, just tap on the toggle button to turn off Meta AI button on the WhatsApp home screen. Once you've toggled off the button, the Meta AI button will be hidden immediately. If you wish to delete Meta AI chat conversations, simply long press on the chat list and tap the delete icon located at the top of the screen. With these simple steps, you can easily manage the visibility of the Meta AI button on your WhatsApp home screen. Hope this video helped you. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips videos, and leave down a comment in the comment box.